Hey everyone, this is Ganesh Vishishta here and welcome back to Coding with Kani. So guys, in today's video we are going to do total. So I promised you in the last video that we are going to do total, and yeah, so here I am with another video, and today another video is coming. It has a little bit of script and other things, but I don't think so we should talk about that video right now. Yeah, it is obviously a coding video, but not right now. I think so I should tell you about that video. So last video I told you about total, and now I have to make a dedicated video on total because total is very important. It is used for making like images or diagrams or borderlines in your web page, and it is little bit important. And something else also I wanted to tell you, that if you don't know what is total, so guys, total is something like a very total, like it is a tool in the toolbox. That is the simplest I can tell you. And for further more information or use of total, I think so you should just continue watching the video till the end. Yes, guys. So you can see that I am in my app lab, where you can access it from the create button, then app lab from here, and then as you can see, I'll just rename it total. Yeah, I think so that's better, and then just save it. Yeah, so the first main function of this is move forward. So move forward, and what I used to do this over here in this total, I used to just write the code like move forward or something, because it is very easy to write the codes. Like, see, move and then caps lock forward. And if sometimes I didn't get a code, there is obviously a code over here, and you can just put it right here, and then just do it like 100 or something, and just go over here. And yup, as you can see that I just made my own code. And then you can see I usually do like this only. I write the code, I don't do this, but actually like I don't do much coding on over here now. I do it on Sublime Text or VS Code, but that is too advanced, too advanced. So I'm also learning over there. Once I learn all the things, then I'll surely come up with a video on VS Code also. I'm learning over there. So as you can see that these are the main functions only. So I should go back to the show block, then move forward, then move backwards. So like I have to move forward something like 200, and backwards then like 100. So I want my total over here in the middle, so that's why I should just do it like move forward then move backward. Then what should I do is move. This is only move, and this is move too. So move over here is like 25 25. I don't get it why, but yeah, so it is from over here. So I don't think it's okay. Move is the thing we need to know in this total, but move to is very important. Move to, so I want my total not to be over here somewhere. I want my total to be over here. So I just so these are the parameters, as you can see. There's the x. Just a second. As you can see that these are the parameters over here. If you will see, just a second. Yeah, so over here this is the parameter over here, so which is 2184, and y is 336. So these are my parameters, and I'm just gonna note it down over here. Like, what was it? One, I think it was 1184, and the second one was 336, I think. Yeah, 336. I'm just gonna do that, and let's try to run it. Yeah, as you can see that our total just went over here, but if I will put my move to over here, then my total will begin from over here only. From here my total will begin, but if I will put it in the last, then my turtle first will attempt all these two functions, then it will come to move to, such as when over here, so it completed its function over here, and then it came back over here. It didn't just do this and it came back. Then comes a dot. Yeah, so a dot is like very simple, as you can just see a dot of 5 centimeters, not even 5 centimeters, that was 1 centimeter. So as you can see, a large dot is created over here. This is mostly used for like designing or something. So then as you can see, turn right, then turn left. So this is like very important, as this function turns right and then turns left. It didn't show over here, but yeah, it does. So these are the very main functions of here. And I how can I forget to pair pen up and pen down? So so after running a function, if you don't want a function to show its line or something, you can use pen up or pen down. So mostly you should use pen down because it is important. So first I'm just gonna do like over here, as you can see. So wait a second, bro, you can't do that. I am Yup. So pen up and pen down is something which is used for not like, it is used for like if you don't want to show a line over here, then you should use pen up or pen down. So guys, this is all about this total. So I think so that the video is not over right now, because the main part of total I haven't tell you. I didn't tell you right now. So you have to just go to functions and then just click this function and function, then just name it like I think so that it should be like wait a second, triangle. Yeah, so triangle, that's okay. I think why is it showing the red line? There's something wrong, I think. Okay, so the laptop is lagging. I don't think so that I just have back. Then from here I should just keep the same. Ganesh, I think. Like, I don't think so you have to put its name Ganesh or something. I think so you can just put it triangle. So there's something wrong with this. Okay, I get it, what I'm doing. Yeah, so the mistake I was doing that we don't have to leave a space over here. So I just bring up this one and triangle. Right, so I just did a triangle. Right now this will show that triangle isn't defined because I didn't call the function. First when I call the function, it will just do what I have told it to do. I tell it to do, then I think so just move forward 100, then turn right, then not 90 also, I think. What? Not 90, I think it should be like 30, and then move forward, yeah, and then I think so it should be 100, then take a right turn. Where the hell is this turn right? Yeah, so turn right, move forward 100, Yup. So let me just call the function and see if it is working or not. The func not here, my darling, over here. I'm just gonna put triangle. As you can see, I just called the function, it just went. Let's see. Okay, so I just did something wrong, I think, because this wasn't this was this I didn't expect this. I think so it has to be like something on 90 or something. Okay, yeah, so it has to be 90. Okay, so I had to make a triangle and I don't know why it just showed up. Okay, so I think so you just get it why I used this triangle. And yeah, so when you and for making a proper triangle you should just use this a function, and not even a triangle. You want to make a car, you can just name it as a car over here and just call its function car, and just write the total over here what you want in the total, and this function is used in something else. So guys, as you can see that I told you about total today, and today only I'm gonna upload another video. I will try to upload another video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, and just like it and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends so they could also learn